Hello YouTube denizens, David Storm here with Picklocks.com, and today I thought I would use SWICK to pick this American Series 1100. So we're going to go with this rather sharp hook here. This is one of Christina's favorite hooks that she's been using for many years, and I have to say I'm very pleased with it myself. I really like that hook. So we'll go with the thicker of the two. If you run your fingers over these, I've gotten pretty good at telling that's the 40 thousandths, this is the 48 thousandths. You can just feel it sticks up a little bit more than this one. So we're going to go with the 48 thousandths. The short end will not work because it is recessed, so we have to go with the other longer end. Hook that into the top. Now this is something, take a look at how well that fits flush along the top there. That cuts out any type of wobble or anything like that, and Christina designed these to work that way. Very sharp angles right here allow for that pick to seat itself, or I'm sorry, not pick, but flat turner to seat itself. Very flush with the lock. So let's give it a shot. Click on one. Another click on one. Nothing on two. I'll click on three. A little click on four. Another click on four, and it looks like we just got a false set. Counter rotation on five. Little click on three. Come back to one, check it. One's good. Two's good. Three. There's a little click on, I think that was four. Yep, that was four. Nothing on five. A little movement on, I think that's three. And a little click on four again, and it's open. Alright, let's go ahead and get this opened up. I do not have a key for this, so I have to be super careful to gut this correctly so I can put this back together for my friend correctly. I borrowed this from a friend, Justin. He was kind enough to allow me to use this tonight to pick. Alright, take this clip off here. I don't have a plug follower that really fits this well, so I'm going to use this little dowel rod that I cut many years ago for this. Make sure I don't spill these pins. It'd be the end of the world, but I'd like to give it back to him in the same order I got it. Alright. Put that aside. And here we have our pins there. Looks like a 0 cut on the first or second pin. Yep, 0. So I had to get past those, not touch that one, but get all these. If that's rather difficult, being that's a deep pin like that. That's all right. Surprised that was actually as easy as it was. So we get number 1 out of there. Get these key pins out, and we'll take a look at the driver pins. Come on. These are not wanting to come out of there for some reason. Serrated, I guess. Maybe the serrations are causing it to hang up a bit. And I don't have the key with this tonight, so can't just put the key in and force them up. There we are. And last one, number 5. So we'll take a look at these. See if we can get that to, there we are. Nice serrated key pins there. Alright. Starting from the back. Looks like a spool pin there. And another serrated pin. All right. Let's take a little closer look. I'm just keep those springs in there. Nothing really to see there. But that was nice and loud. There we are. So we actually had, looks like 2 spools. One right here and one right here up, and is that a spool? Let's see. Yeah, looks like a spool with some serrations on it. So serrated driver pins in what is that, 2 and 4, and spool pins in 1, 2, and 5. No, 1, 3, and 5, I'm sorry. So, alright. There we are. Hope you enjoyed that. Once again, SWICK delivers and opens the lock. So, see if we can get a challenge lock going next and get our blue belt. So I hope you enjoyed that. For Picklocks.com, I'm David Storm.